Hello, it's Andrew from Burncoose Nurseries, and we're here now and we're going to look at our Leptospermums, which we're very proud of. Leptospermum's a New Zealand native, good in a sunny border, they love the sun, free draining soil, and we'll just look and pan across these Leptospermums. They're all in 3-litre pots, and we've got coral candy on the left, martini eye with a slight silvery tinge to it, red damask, which is a very dark red flower, that's everybody's favourite, red damask. Winter cheer there, also one with red flowers. Weary Adrienne, that's quite a new one to us, pinky white flowers. Red damask, more red damask, because that's 2 lots of red damask there. Snow flurry at the end, which is white. Burgundy queen there, which is a year younger than its older brothers there we see. And the one on the end is Scoparium blossom, that's a double pale pink. So if you've got a sunny border and you want something bright to lighten up your summer, early summer flowering, nothing better than a Leptospermum to do it. Beautiful plants, and they'll tolerate a little bit of hard pruning.